Student skills, vital for success. What skills are useful as a student? As a student, you're on a journey of learning and self-discovery. It's not just about textbooks and lectures. It's also about acquiring essential skills that will serve you well in your academic and personal life. In this script, we'll explore the skills that are incredibly useful as a student. Skill number 1. Time management. Balancing coursework, assignments, and a social life can be challenging. Learning to manage your time effectively is crucial. Use tools like calendars and to-do lists to prioritize tasks. Skill number 2. Effective communication. Whether it's participating in class discussions, presenting projects, or collaborating with peers, communication skills are vital. Practice active listening, articulate your thoughts clearly, and engage in respectful dialogue. Skill number 3. Critical thinking. As a student, you'll encounter complex problems and assignments. Critical thinking helps you analyze situations, evaluate information, and make informed decisions. Skill number 4. Research skills. These are essential for any student. Knowing how to find and evaluate credible sources is invaluable for academic projects and beyond. Skill number 5. Adaptability. The ability to adapt to different teaching styles, new subjects, and unexpected challenges will make your academic journey smoother. Skill number 6. Stress management. Student life can be stressful. Learning how to cope with stress through relaxation techniques, exercise, and seeking support is crucial for your well-being. Skill number 7. Problem solving. Students face various problems, from academic issues to personal challenges. Developing problem-solving skills will help you navigate these situations effectively. Skill number 8. Self-discipline. It's easy to get distracted in the digital age. Cultivate self-discipline to stay focused on your studies and goals. Skill number 9. Organization. Keeping your notes, materials, and study environment well organized can improve your efficiency and productivity. Skill number 10. Collaboration. Whether in group projects or extracurricular activities, learning to work well with others is an invaluable skill for students and future professionals. Personal growth. The skills you develop as a student extend far beyond the classroom. They contribute to your personal growth and future success. Remember, these skills aren't just about getting good grades. They're about becoming a well-rounded, capable individual. Responsibility. Responsibility is another important skill. As a student, you're accountable for your education, attendance, and assignments. This skill will serve you well in your future career and personal life. Technology literacy. In today's digital age, technology literacy is a must. Understanding how to use various software, research tools, and online platforms is crucial for academic research and professional life. Ethical thinking. Ethical thinking is a skill that helps you make morally sound decisions. It's especially important when tackling academic challenges, such as plagiarism or ethical dilemmas in research. Empathy. Empathy is a skill that will help you build meaningful relationships with peers, professors, and colleagues. It's the foundation of understanding and supporting others in your academic and personal journey. Goal setting. Setting clear goals and objectives is a skill that keeps you motivated and focused. Whether it's acing an exam, completing a thesis, or planning your career, goal setting guides your path to success. Continued learning. Finally, the skill of continued learning is paramount. The world is constantly evolving, and staying curious and open to new ideas is a lifelong skill that will serve you well, not only as a student, but as a person. Mental wellness. Your mental wellness is a critical aspect of being a successful student. Developing skills related to self-care, stress reduction, and seeking support when needed is essential. Remember, taking care of your mental health is just as important as your academic pursuits. Developing a growth mindset. Embracing a growth mindset is key. Instead of fearing failure, see it as an opportunity to learn and grow. A growth mindset fosters resilience and determination, helping you overcome challenges. Networking. Building a professional network even while you're a student can open doors to future opportunities. Attend conferences, join clubs, and connect with professors and peers who share your interests. Intercultural competence. In today's globalized world, intercultural competence is essential. Learning to understand and appreciate diverse perspectives and cultures is not only enriching, but prepares you for an interconnected society. Financial literacy. Understanding basic financial principles and budgeting is crucial. As a student, managing your finances wisely will help reduce stress and set you on the path to financial stability after graduation. Resilience. Resilience is the ability to bounce back from setbacks. In the academic world, setbacks are inevitable, but your resilience will determine how you handle them and keep moving forward. Conclusion. In the grand scheme of things, being a student is just the beginning of a lifelong journey of learning and self-improvement. By mastering these skills, you're not only investing in your education, but in your future success and well-being. Keep honing these abilities, and you'll be well prepared to face the challenges and opportunities that await.